In this lecture, we will learn about vmstat and SAR, two important Linux tools that help us to understand system performance in real time and through historical reports. vmstat and SAR are two helpful tools in Linux that show what is happening inside your computer.
Hi, I am Imran Afzal. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
vmstat stands for Virtual Memory Statistics. It gives you a quick live report about your system's performance, like how much memory is being used, how busy the CPU is, whether your system is waiting for something, and how many processes are running in the background. You can think of vmstat like a small machine that keeps telling you every second your memory is fine, or your CPU is under heavy load, or your system is waiting too much. This helps you understand if your computer is slow because of memory issues, CPU pressure, or other background processes. The best part is that CentOS comes built in with vmstat, so you don't need to install anything to start checking your system's health. You simply run the vmstat command with parameters like vmstat2 5. Here, 2 tells it to refresh every 2 seconds, and 5 shows the report 5 times in a row. On the other hand, SAR stands for System Activity Reporter. It is more powerful and detailed than vmstat. While vmstat gives you live moment-to-moment information, SAR actually records your system's performance over time. For example, if you want to know how your computer was behaving yesterday at 3 p.m., SAR can show you that. It collects data about CPU usage, memory use, disk activity, and network performance and stores it so you can review it later. Think of SAR like a black box recorder for your computer. It keeps track of what happened, and later you can check if your system was overloaded, slow, or behaving strangely at any time. Unlike vmstat, SR is not built in on CentOS by default, but the good news is that you can easily add it by installing sysstat. After enabling it, you can check CPU, memory, disk, and network activity from any time you want, even hours or days later by using commands like sar-u for CPU, sar-r for memory, sar-b for disk activity, sar-ndev for network performance. Now it's time to practice. Open the CentOS terminal and log in as root. First, we practice the vmstat tool. Type the command vmstat35. Here, 3 means refresh every 3 seconds and 5 means repeat 5 times. Press enter. You will see a header row and then immediately the first line of results. These columns tell you about processes, memory usage, swap usage, I/O activity, system interrupts, and CPU performance. Every 3 seconds, new lines appear, showing the live performance of your system, allowing you to track changes in real time as the command runs. Let's move on to the second tool, SAR. But before we use it, we must install it because it is not built into CentOS by default. So we type the command dnf install sysstat-y. After pressing enter, it starts downloading and installing the sysstat package. After a few moments, the installation completes successfully. Now we need to enable it so that SAR can start recording system activity in the background. For this, we type systemctl enable dash now sysstat. Here, the dash now option means that the service should not only be enabled for future reboots, but should also start immediately at this moment. Before we start using the SAR command to check the system activity, we first verify whether SAR is actually recording any data. For this, we run the command ls-l/var/log/sa/. This shows the log files created by the sys-stat service. These files are named with the pattern SA01, SA02, SA03, and so on, based on the date of the month. In our case, you can see a file named say07, which means SAR has successfully started recording today's performance data. If at least one file appears here, it confirms that SAR is working correctly. Let's move on and use the SAR command with the -u option to check CPU usage. And we also specify a start and end time using -s and -e. Here we are choosing 12 to 12:10, which means we want SAR to show us only the CPU activity that happened between 12 p.m. and 12:10 p.m. This is very useful when you want to focus on a specific time window instead of the whole day. After that, we use the -f option to point a SAR to the exact log file we want to read. And in our case, we select /var/log/sa/sa07 because this file contains today's recorded performance data. But remember, you can select any SA file in this directory depending on which day's activity you want to check. Each SA file represents one date, so choosing the correct file ensures SAR reads the right historical information for that specific time period. After pressing enter, you can see the output, where it shows the CPU activity for the exact time range we selected, along with system details like the kernel version, host name, date, architecture, and number of CPUs. So this is a simple explanation of two important Linux tools, vmstat and sar, that helps to understand system performance in real time and through historical reports. See you in the next lecture.
Hey, if you found this tip helpful, then please show some support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Also, let us know what would you like to learn next.